Hi, today we are going to see a drug on Drotin. Medical description of Drotin is it is an antispasmodic medicine containing drotaverine. It helps in pain relief due to spasm. Drotin works by relaxing the smooth muscles. Therefore, it provides relief from spasm and pain. So, the main action of Drotin is it is an antispasmodic medicine. So, it works on spasm and pain. This medicine will be given under the medical supervision of doctors or nurses only. Action. How does it work? Drotin injection works by inhibiting the action of an enzyme phosphodiesterase, thus results in relaxation of smooth muscles and dilatation of blood vessels, therefore providing relief from spasm and pain. So it relaxes the smooth muscles and it helps in dilatation of blood vessels. It results in the relief from spasm and pain. Let's see the dosage and route. So Drotin is available in injection form as well as in a tablet form also. So Drotin injection is available in a 2 ml vial. So the 2 ml vial contains Drotaverine 40 mg. So the 2 ml Drotin injection contains Drotaverine 40 mg. So the injection can be taken in intramuscular or intravenous route. Then the Drotin tablet contains Drotaverine 40 mg. It should be taken in a oral route. So the Drotin is available both in tablet form and also in the injection form. We can see the uses of this Drotin. It helps in relieving spasm and pain associated with smooth muscles. It is used to treat menstrual pain and abdominal pain. It relieves pain due to smooth muscle spasms such as menstrual pain, kidney stone pain, biliary stone pain and gastrointestinal colic pain. So for all type of pains it is very much useful in reducing the pain. Helps in reducing the duration of active phase of labor by cervical dilatation. So this Drotin is very much useful in labor by promoting adequate cervical dilatation during labor. So these are some of the uses of this Drotin. So the main action is it relieves spasm and pain which is associated with smooth muscles, and also in case of obstetric purpose it helps in cervical dilatation. So we can see the indications of using this Drotin. In case of abdominal pain, chest pain, menstrual pain, bowel disorder, gallstones pain in kidney, pain due to kidney stone, pain due to gastrointestinal colicky pain, pain in the renal colic, which is a irritable one, then cervical spasm during labor. Next, we can see the contraindication where we should not use this drug. If the client or mother is allergic to drotaverine or any of the ingredient of this medicine, this Drotin should not be taken. If you have liver, kidney or heart related problem, this drug should not be taken. Then this medicine is not recommended to be used in children below the age of 12. So if the client is allergic towards this drug, it should not be taken. In case of liver, kidney and heart related problem, without the advice of the doctor, it is not recommended. Then it is not recommended in pediatric, that is less than 12 years of age. Next we can see the side effects of using this Drotin. So the main side effects are nausea, vomiting, dizziness, constipation, sweating, sleep disorder, allergic dermatitis, headache, heart rhythm, fainting will be there, flushing, warm sensation in the face, ears and neck, weakness, tiredness, lightheadedness, drowsiness. So these are some of the side effects that may occur after using this Drotin. So there are some general warnings. Talk to your doctor if you had or have benign prostate hyperplasia. You have a liver, kidney, or heart related disease. You are pregnant or breastfeeding. You have an eye condition such as close angle glaucoma. So, if the client has any of these problems, they have to inform the doctor priorly before taking the drug. Next, we can see the drug interaction. What happens if Drotin is taken with some other drugs? So, the medicines used to treat Parkinsonism disease like levodopa may not work properly if taken along with this medicine, and you may experience shakiness, disbalance, and rigidity. So, when Drotin is taken with levodopa, the client may experience shakiness, disbalance, and rigidity. So, this drug is not indicated, suppose when the client is taking levodopa. Some medicines can affect the way the Drotin injection works, or this medicine itself can reduce the effectiveness of other medicines taken at the same time. So, this drug should not be taken with some other medicines in the same time. Tell your doctor about the medicines, supplements, or herbals you are currently taking or might take to avoid any possible interaction. So, when the client is on any other medicines or any other supplements or taking herbal treatment, they have to report to the doctor before taking this tablet or any injection. So, these are some of the drug interactions should be known. Finally, we can see the nursing considerations. So, this tablet may increase your risk of a fatal heart attack or stroke. So, if you have had any recent cardiac surgery, this tablet is not indicated. So, we have to collect proper history to the patient whether the client has any problems related to heart. Do not take the tablet if you are allergic to Drotin A tablet, have severe heart failure or any bleeding problems such as stomach or intestinal bleeding while taking any painkiller or have problems with your liver and kidney. So we have seen this earlier itself. If the client has any heart, liver or kidney problems, this drug is not indicated. Tell your doctor if you have had high blood pressure, heart problems, high cholesterol, diabetes, asthma, liver and kidney problems before taking this Drotin tablet. Do not take Drotin tablet if you are pregnant or breastfeeding unless prescribed. Whether you are pregnant or breastfeeding, don't take this tablet unless your doctor tells you to take. Drotin A tablet will make you drowsy and dizzy. So just drive if you are fully awake. Since the protection of Drotin tablet has not been identified, it should not be given to children. Then avoid drinking alcohol when taking Drotin tablet because it can cause drowsiness. Then unless otherwise directed, do not take any other non-steroidal drugs when taking this Drotin tablet. So these are some of the nursing considerations should be noted. So we have seen the description of the drug, the mode of action, dosage and route. We have seen the uses, the indication, contraindication, side effects, and also the drug interaction and the nursing consideration of this drug. The topic. Thank you.